Welcome. In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and in this video I will show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint on the smartphone. So in such case, you have to go to the settings and set up a new fingerprint for your device. To do that, select biometrics and password and select fingerprint ID. Confirm with your screen lock pin or password or pattern, then select the fingerprint on the list if you have one, if you have previous ones, and delete it. And then to set up a new fingerprint, click right here. But before we proceed, let's use the dry towel to wipe the surface of the fingerprint scanner to make sure that it reads our fingerprint smoothly and clearly. Okay. And when you're ready, start pressing the area of the fingerprint scanner. Follow the instructions. Press with the areas that blink red on the fingerprints image. Okay, almost done. And when you're done, click right here. And then to proceed, let's first go to the system and updates. Select software update and check if your device has any updates to install. And if you don't have any updates to install, then take your time and install them to ensure that your firmware or software matches your hardware and everything works properly. So let's wait a little while until the update is installed, and then we'll have to restart the phone. Okay, click install now and wait until your device is restarted. Okay, and when the phone is restarted and we can be sure that all the changes applied, including the new fingerprint, we can try to unlock the device using it once again. Okay. Okay, let's try again. Okay, and it seems that we also have to cover the fingerprint sensor using entire fingerprint, so don't just lay the tip of the finger on the fingerprint sensor. I just figured it out myself. Okay, so like this, and it should work. Okay, so it didn't went smoothly, but it did work for me. So I think that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.